Here we go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free.
And I'm Barry from this crazy little channel called Empty Hammock.
Yeah, and we are here at the project that he's doing, renovating this house. By the way, before you ask, many of you who are new to our channel, yes, he's my son.
Yep, all my life.
And he's been working on this project for quite a while. He calls it his hoarder house because when he bought it, it was full, like waist deep to shoulder deep. Every room you had to crawl up over top to get. It was a mess.
Yeah, you can see all that on my channel if you want to see what it looked like before.
Right.
It was a mess.
So I haven't actually done an update here for a while, so I thought I'd let you see what's happening. He's completely done with the outside now, and he's getting close to done on the inside.
Getting there.
So we're going to take a short walk through and let you see what's happening.
Yeah, so this didn't look like this when I started at all. There was a bathroom right here. That was walled off. That back area was an old porch. We opened all this up. And I'll just say it once so I don't say it over and over. If you want to see all the steps that I've taken in this, check out my channel. I documented everything that I did, each step. Empty hammock. So anyway, enough about that. The only thing that I have not done on this house personally was the roof. I hired out. I helped with that. But I had a crew come in and do that, and then finishing the drywall. My shoulders are bad enough now from doing this for 30 some years that I'm having a hard time with that action, with that motion. So I hired that out, but everything else in the house, I've done myself with the help of friends and family. A lot of work by my wife and kids and whoever else wants to come by and help out. So I don't know where to go from there.
Right through there.
Yeah. So this is the living room. This house had 4 chimneys, I think. We decided to go ahead and open them up and expose them. I'm going to sand this down and then seal it and leave it exposed. I think it looks pretty good. There's one in the other room, and then there was 2 in the back that we've actually just taken out. They were all punched through the roof, of course, so we cut all those off and re-roofed it over so it can't leak. So I've done all the windows, siding, roof, full electrical, full sheetrock. We're going to finish the floors out. I added a second bathroom and redo the entire kitchen, so it's a lot.
This is a huge room.
It is now, yeah, it wasn't before.
Yeah.
So there was a dividing wall right here that there's a dividing wall right here that divided the kitchen and the dining room with just a single doorway. So I made that go away, opened it up. So we're going to do a full kitchen on this side. And dining room over here, we're going to be doing tiled backsplash and nice the laminate flooring. The floor in the dining room is actually in good enough shape because there's so many layers of vinyl and everything else on it that I'm just going to refinish it. Hopefully it'll look really good. If not, I'll just cover it up. So this whole area is different. It's not like this when we got it. None of these walls were here. I wanted to divide the kitchen with the master suite in the back by something other than just a doorway. So I created a hall so that it has a little bit more of a visual difference, so that you're not walking directly into the kitchen from the the bedroom, the master suite. I opened this up. This was I think originally it was a doorway, but then it got boarded up. So got small utility room and laundry.
Now, all of this out here used to be just a covered porch, right?
Yeah, I'll talk about that.
Oh, okay, sorry.
No, that's fine. You reminded me. So this whole side of the house, I know it's hard to see it now, but it was all just a single old school covered porch. You can tell by the type of ceiling in it. This particular part of the ceiling we're going to sand down and refinish because I think it's kind of cool having a little bit of the old in with the new. So there was a step down from where the kitchen is to where I am, and I flattened everything out so that it's all one level, all the way across the whole house. Make it more easier to walk around. So then here's the master suite. This was the original door to get into the room, again directly off the kitchen. I just didn't like that, so I made that a closet, sort of the man closet, and then the woman closet is in here. Give you some light. So a nice big walk-in closet, and then on the other side is the master bathroom. It was interesting trying to get everything arranged because this is 6.5 feet wide, trying to fit a full bathroom in here. So that's why I put the angled door. We did a 4-foot stand-up shower. I think it's going to be pretty nice when it's done. So this tub is from 1923. It was in the house when I got it. I'm assuming that it's been in here since the 20s. No telling how many baths have been taken in it, but don't think about that, it's weird. So I'm going to refinish it, and it's going to go into the main bathroom, which I'll show you right now. So I got a back door, made a little stoop for that, and then from the stairs, it's easy to just come directly in.
Front door, right into the bathroom.
Yep. So one thing I didn't think about those, we're going to have the tub right here, and there's a straight shot outside, so to make sure the door's shut. Anyway, so then I had to build in the whole chase system. There was no heating or air upstairs at all. It was completely separated. So I had to put the chase in, bust up through the ceiling, into the attic, into the rooms upstairs. I'm putting in a proper 2-foot square return so they can put a filter in it, and that goes down into the basement so that they can actually get easy to change out that filter instead of having to go down the basement. So when they put the bathroom in right where you're standing years ago, they cut into the stair supports and then cut in up here, just sort of bodged it together. So I'm gonna have to fill in a little bit here. This did have a nice big exposed structural part of the stairs, which I really liked, but there is a giant gouge taken out of it from where they put the bathroom in. So begrudgingly, I had to cover all that up, but I think it's gonna be okay. So these are gonna get completely refinished. We've got most of the old paint off of the railing. Still have some more work to do to it, obviously. And then there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. There's still a lot to do up there, so probably won't show you most of that. It's just a mess. It's just 2 bedrooms, so not very exciting.
So I'm over here today working on installing all of the receptacles and the light switches. He doesn't really have all that much left to do. You've got to finish the wiring, what I'm doing now. And he is in the other room working on molding. And then when that's done, we got the floors, and we got the kitchen counters, cabinets, and all the bathroom fixtures. And that's about it. So hopefully he'll be able to finish this up before too much longer. I come over here and work whenever I can, which is usually a few hours here and there, but everything that I can do is one more hour that he doesn't have to spend So as you can see, if you've been following along this project at all, he's made a huge amount of progress. Not this week, you
Oh,
haven't.
no, yeah, I was working this week. But
Yeah. And he's getting close to finish. I bet you're going to be glad when it's done.
yes, I'll take a day off.
Yeah, a day. And like he said a couple times, if you are interested in seeing a lot more updates and a lot more of the history of what he's done, go to his channel, Empty Hammock. I'll put a link down below so that you can see that. And he does a lot more videos than I do. So.
Oh, well, yeah, on the house. I try to do one a week, so there's, I don't know, 30 some videos in the series. So go check it out if you want to. Feel free to ask any questions and comment and all that other stuff that you're supposed to do on YouTube.
Yeah. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. And I'll keep you updated. I'll give you another one probably when he's about finished with it.
Yep.
So, all right, thanks for watching. Be blessed, live simple, live free.
And I don't have a slogan, so goodbye.